What's up, guys? I'm Prince, and welcome back to my channel, Royalescapes. If you're new, I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you like the content that I have here. And I encourage you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay tuned for more projects that I have in store for you. But as you can see, I'm outside taking a little hiatus from my room flip project. If you want to catch up with that, I'll leave some links in the description below for the projects that I've already done. Hopefully I'll get that project done for you as soon as possible so you can see the full reveal. I just have a few more projects to go and then I'll be done. But in the meantime, fortunately for you, I'm outside digging up my yard again. It's nothing complicated this time, unlike my previous rosebed project that was a pain in my back. For real, it was a pain, but it turned out awesome. This time, I am just creating a simple tier system or a step to put my plants on, because this area behind me here was originally made to have plants that are going to go directly in the ground. But over time, it just got filled up with potted plants. I'll show you that a little later. So what I'm going to do is create some steps out of blocks and concrete to give it some levels so I can put all my potted plants there and just make it look awesome. So without any further ado, let me show you what I've done so far to get to this point. Leg up. This is what it is now. So I have to move a couple of the plants that are actually in the soil. The majority of them, thank God, are potted. So in order for me to create this tier system, I'm gonna have to move all of them, dig up the ones that are in the ground, and move them from here to here. So I'm gonna clean up this area and dig the holes and then plant them here. Now let's get to it. I'm gonna take this time right now and tell you about the sponsor of today's video. It's Blue Lavender Spa and Aromatics. Now, after a long day of DIYing or just a very long work week, Blue Lavender Spa, that's the place for you. To get that back rubbed out, or even just to get that facial done. That's the place you need to be. They're located at My Place Plaza on Old Harbor Road. You can go there, book your appointments. The link will be in the description down below. You can check out their Instagram or their booking website and to get 10% discount, not 5. 10%. Use the discount code royalescapes20 and you will get that discount. Check them out. Awesome customer service. You will not regret it. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. And trust me, after you see me in this video, my back definitely needs that rub out. Let's get back to the video. Here you see me scraping away all the loose gravel and leaves that were on top of the soil. Previously, I added gravel as a decorative aspect to this area when I thought that there would be plants in the ground here, but as you see, that never worked out. So grabbing my trusty hoe, I'm digging up the topsoil along with some of these roots that I've extended in my yard from my neighbor's house. There's a tree exactly behind this wall that you see here. So I'm just digging up all of those roots and some of the topsoil. I'll be reusing some of this at a later date, but for now most of it is just gonna be dumped within the cavity between the wall and the step or the blocks that I'll be laying later on. So I'm just digging along there, stopping ever so often to do a little dance because my neighbors are still playing music. Well, they're playing some good songs too. So just enjoying the music and doing the work. Ever so often, some of these routes are very tough to get out. This one here is fighting with my hoe, but I came out victorious nonetheless. So as you can see right here, I'm just tossing back some of the dirt against the wall so you can see where it will be used at a later date to pack the cavity between the block work and the wall itself. So guys, my camera died unfortunately. I didn't get to show you the rest of me the pegging and putting in the construction cord. But don't worry, I got you guys. I'll show you part 2 of the rest of this garden renovation project. So just stay tuned. If you haven't already, hit that like button, share, and subscribe. Alright, hit that notification bell to make sure you don't miss part 2.